Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a new trash bag onto your rear tire, your spare tire. My goal in my channel is to inspire other female solo adventurers so you can do it. Here we're taking it off and Lacey wants to use it as a spare bed.
Ooh, look at all that dust.
This one is my old one. I'm going to replace it exactly with the same one but new. It's probably about 2 or 3 years old and it has served me well. I have no complaints.
Here is the brand new one. Alright. And you can see it's a pretty big deal. Lacey, you want to watch me do this? This is pretty simple how you hang it on there. Could be a little tighter right there. Unclasp it there. And you see, these have stood the test of time right there. And it comes right off. Just like that. I'm gonna loosen that up. Still got a little bit of trash in there. There it is. Could be a dog bed now. I don't know if I'm gonna clean it up, reuse it, give it away, throw it away. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but it still works. Like I said, 50, 60,000 miles several years later. And I said, woo, let me just buy me a new one. And I went and bought the very same thing. Because look, if it works, and this is what I call a budget item, but it doesn't act like a budget item. I don't think I'm going to have to do too much adjustment on this. You've got these keepers. They'll come in handy. So if you have too much left over hanging off, when you tighten it up, you can use these keepers. Okay, let's go for it. Here, put these just like that. In fact, you might want to keep that. Now this is, I'm just one person, okay? We got this keeper right here, which it appears I took that keeper off. My old one. I'll see if I want to do something. So, just to be straight, I'm taking the right bottom and I'm crossing it over to the left hole in the tire. I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna reach through. And snap it into place. Now, I got a lot of slack there, but I've got it up on top. So when I let loose, that may be a little bit too loose. I don't want it tied up on my tire because, well, you guessed it, I got a camera up there. But I don't want it too tight either. So we'll come back. We'll put this through our keeper so we're not flapping around in the wind. Alrighty. And I can do that a little bit later just so I can finish up this video. Bag. Okay. So we got the bottom left. We're going to cross it over into a hole over here on the right. Again, I'm going to come over. I got the top up here. Pull that through. And there you go. that up a little bit. And we could pull it through down here if you want to. And I can do that a little, again, a little sure. Again, we got this top. I put my propane hose in there. Open it up. Put your, I recommend putting a trash bag inside of here, but you don't have to. But it is huge. You cinch it up. I put that down in there. And like I said, you have these little things. You can, when you get to your spot, if you want to use this, you can put your toilet paper down in there. Clean roll. Your wet wipes. I put some little extra spare zip ties in there. I used mine for firewood. I used it, in fact I didn't mean to, but one time I even accidentally transported some field mice from Yellowstone all the way to Salt Lake City. Got to my campsite for the night, and out popped some field mice. Now how did I know they were in Yellowstone? Because I had some field mice get up in my trash, and I thought I chased them off, but they were all up in the trash. And I went to open this up, and out popped a little field mice. Went off somewhere in Salt Lake City.
And that's the trash bag I put on my spare tire.